In this video, we will show you how to properly install your LG over-the-range microwave oven. The first step is to measure the cabinet opening. The minimum allowable clearance between the cabinets is 30 inches. The minimum distance from the cooking surface to the bottom of the cabinet is also 30 inches. A grounded 120 volt 60 Hz wall outlet with a 15 or 20 amp pre-circuit must be available inside the upper cabinet. Your over-the-range microwave oven is set for roof venting by default, but can also be set to vent through the rear wall or to recirculate back into the room. Templates are included with your unit that will assist you in both exterior venting setups. Your over-the-range microwave oven comes with a rectangular exhaust adapter for roof vent setup only. You'll need to install it on the microwave oven for your ducts to fit. Other duct pieces are not included with your oven and must be purchased separately from your local home improvement store. You will also need a Phillips screwdriver, pencil, tape measure, flathead screwdriver, duct tape, electric drill, stud finder, tin snippers, 3/8 and 3/4 wood drill bits, and 1/2 and 3/16 drill bits. If installing your microwave oven in either a wall-vented setup or recirculating setup, it will be necessary to rotate the blower motor to align the vent system for either setup. For recirculating vent setup, unscrew the vent fan cover and pull out the vent fan and rotate the fan forward. In case of rear wall venting, unscrew the vent fan cover and pull out the vent fan and rotate it so that the fan opening faces backwards. You will need to remove the rectangular cutouts by the tabs to allow for airflow through the back wall. Then screw everything back into place. To prepare the wall and upper cabinet for installation, you will need to use the two templates included with your unit. There is a wall template, an upper cabinet template. Carefully align these templates to the edges of your walls and cabinets and tape them in place. The wall template locates the mounting plate and rear wall vents. Properly measure the distance from the bottom of your upper cabinet to the bottom of the mounting bracket. The upper cabinet template locates the holes of the mounting bolts, power cord, and roof vents. If you don't already have these holes drilled or cut out in your cabinet, use the templates to mark the location of the drill holes and roof vents cutout. Drill and cut holes as specified. Next, remove the mounting bracket from behind the microwave oven. Depending on your model, your bracket might be U-shape or straight bar type. Insert the toggle bolt through the bracket. Turn it over and screw on the toggle about an inch in. Place the bracket with the toggle bolts onto the back wall and insert the toggle bolts through the pre-drilled holes on the back wall. Firmly tighten the bolts. In addition to the toggle bolts, the bracket must be screwed into at least one stud behind your wall. Locate the stud and mark its location. Then find a hole on the mounting bracket that best aligns with the stud. Drill the lag screw into the hole. Failure to follow these instructions may result in your microwave oven to fall off the wall. Lifting your new LG over-the-range microwave oven onto the mounting plate requires 2 people. Carefully lift the microwave oven and hang it onto the support tabs at the bottom of the mounting plate. Thread the power cord through the power cord hole located on the bottom of the upper cabinet. Rotate the microwave upward so the top of the unit is against the bottom of the upper cabinet with the vent adapter pushing through the roof vent cutout, and install the vent. If there is a gap between the upper cabinet and microwave oven, it is recommended to add filler blocks that properly fit into that space, allowing you to use it as a spacer. Tighten the bolts until the gap between the upper cabinet and the microwave closes. Properly install the grease trap filters located on the bottom of the microwave. Plug in your unit. You are now ready to use the many features of your new LG over-the-range microwave oven.